Good day to you. In this tutorial, we want to solve 3 sine square x equals to 5 cos square x minus 3 for the values of x lying in the interval 0 less than x less than 2 pi. To solve this, remember the relation cos square x, which is 1 minus sine square x. Rewriting cos square x on the right hand side of the equation gives 3 sine square x is equal to 5 times 1 minus sine square x minus 3. This becomes 3 sine square x equals to 5 minus 5 sine square x minus 3. Then we add 5 sine square x to both sides to give us 3 sine square x plus 5 sine square x equals to 5 minus 3. This is 8 sine square x equals to 2. Dividing both sides by 8. Sine square x is 2 over 8, which means that sine square x is 1 over 4. We then take the square root of both sides. When we do, we have the square root of sine square x is the same thing as sine x squared, and the square root on the right hand side will be plus or minus square root of 1 over 4, where the square root and the square cancel out, meaning that we have sine x to be plus or minus 1 over 2. And with sine x being plus or minus 1 over 2, it means that it can be found in the 4 quadrants. So let us take a look at them one after the other. In the first quadrant, the sign of angles are positive. So if sine x is 1 over 2, then in the first quadrant, x is pi over 6, because the sign of pi over 6 radians gives 1 over 2. In the second quadrant, the sign of angles are also positive. If the sign of x is positive 1 over 2 in the second quadrant, then x is going to be positive pi minus pi over 6, which is the value in the second quadrant, and that is 5 pi over 6. In the third quadrant, sign is negative, and given that sine x is negative 1 over 2, the value of x in the third quadrant here will be negative pi plus pi over 6. This is going to be negative 7 pi over 6. In the fourth quadrant, sign is also negative. And given that sine x is negative half, x is going to be minus 2 pi minus pi over 6, which is the positive angle we first found. This gives negative 11 pi over 6. Therefore, all the possible values of x in the interval given, which is 0 to 2 pi, are pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, minus 7 pi over 6, and minus 11 pi over 6. This is the set of values that satisfy the equation. If you have any question for us, your thoughts on this video, drop them in the comment box and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get timely updates from us as to when our tutorials come out. Have a lovely day.